Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Here's the bent strut. You can see that thing's bananaed. Here's all the junk hinges. These things are all twisted up. They're not really broke, but they're all twisted from when the door got smashed. Where's those junky rollers at? Here they are. Show you these junk rollers. These are all 7 balls. When you hear that wibble wobble in there, garbage. This one here, you can see garbage. Anyway, garbage. No. Don't do that. Don't ever. No. Don't do that. I'm going to tell you why when I'm done with the video. You don't need to do that, man. Here it is. We put Humpty back together again. The spring's off a little bit because you added 2 16-foot struts, but it is what it is, man. Okay, 10x7 Gadco. They don't make this thing no more. All right, we put it back together, even with those rips. This section bowed, this one bowed. We straightened it out the best we could. Added like a full turn on there, and it works. You gotta have these rollies, all these new rollers in here. You got to, and you got to have these 14 gauge end hinges. At this point in the game, this door has been hit. You could see a million years ago someone was going to give them a bottom panel, but guess what? Gadco, they don't make it no more. Some other numbnuts company bought them. I'm not going to even name them right now. I'm so freaking whatever. Anyways, 14 gauge hinges all over here. Put a strut there, strut at the bottom where the main impact was, because you could see the rips here and there. And then we took the extra 12 feet that was on the 2 extra struts and put one here and overlapped it there, which you needed on this panel because this panel was twisted too. You still got to put a screw in that strut right there. Yep. Put the tops on, and voila, it will work with the opener because obviously it works like a dream for what it is by hand. Okay, it's a little heavy on the floor, but that's because you've got 3 extra. You got probably about 25 pounds, 30 pounds on there extra. And you know what? Save this guy some huge dough. Plus, these doors are not in stock in this color. So, once again, we've performed another miracle. And that's what it is. Innovative garage door. Fix and repair hit doors in Naperville, Lyle, Woodridge. We are a first-class garage door company. We do repairs that are A+. And we have all your solutions for your garage door needs. We are not allied with any other companies. It's Innovative Garage Door, serving the community for over 32 years now. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Still got a Facebook page, but we're mostly on YouTube now. No Instagram, no other TikTok or whatever that thing's, Tic Tacs or Chop Chip or something, I don't know. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing. Love all you guys. Without you it don't happen. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Y'all have a good one. Beauty.